The people who start up an organization by an idea or technology without others' dependency in any means are known as entrepreneurs. Whatever comes, either it may be a problem or an achievement, it completely belongs to them because they are risking everything by looking at profit alone. They are all self-made and professional business persons. They can operate multiple organizations and they can provide vast employees. Being an entrepreneur has the ability to decide the economy of a particular country. It is not uncommon to hear about an entrepreneur who used the wealth they made from a previous endeavor to build a thriving new startup, or about seasoned business owner who took over a decades-old franchise to transform it into something new. These stories are inspiring in their own way, but to me, it's even more inspiring to hear about people who started with nothing. This is the story of an entrepreneur who started his journey with no capital, no funding, no education or experience. Yet, despite the odds, he was able to build a massive success. Mr. Prakash was born on 23rd June 1972 to Narayanan and Nagamal in Kadambur, a small village in Erode district. His father worked as a farm laborer. At the age of 18, Prakash lost his father. So he discontinued his studies as he had to take care of his family. He took up various jobs as farm laborer, salesman and driver. He was married to Sudha in 1997. While working as a farm laborer, he found his landlord paying high brokerage to an intermediary to sell his cultivated crops. At the moment, he got an idea to be an intermediary between the farmers and the buyers of the agricultural crops. A major food crop cultivated in the locality was maize, so he decided to start a maize trading company. He went in search for buyers and bought a contact with some local buyers. Initially, he started supplying maize to poultry farms. It took 4 years for him to establish his business. He took his business to the next level by supplying maize to starch companies like SPAC Private Limited Andiur, owned by a former chief minister. He went in search of farmers in the state of Karnataka due to lack of procurement in his locality. After getting contact with the Karnataka farmers, he got sufficient supply of maize from the farmers so that he could supply to the starch companies. Now almost all the farmers in the area of Kadambur, Satyamangalam, Talavadi and Mysore region are supplying maize to Prakash. By 2010, he became the leading supplier of maize in Erode district. Gradually, his business developed as he got clients from Kerala and Andhra Pradesh. In 2017, he got a buyer from Bangladesh. Then he applied for IEC code. After lots of legal verification, he got license to export. Then he started exporting maize to Bangladesh. Now, Mr. Prakash has more than 250 farms to supply maize to him, and he supplies to more than 25 poultry farms, starch companies and foreign exports. His monthly turnover is 35 lakhs on average. From being a college dropout to being a leading maize trader, Prakash's hard work paid off. Everything starts with a small startup and few amount of saving, but it can create a great impact on country. Entrepreneurs are self-confident when they are in control of what they are doing and working alone. They tackle problems immediately with confidence and are persistent in their pursuit of their objectives. And entrepreneurship is not just a label, it is a lifestyle. And thus, a true entrepreneur is not just a dreamer, he is a doer. Thank you.